Ever open a project and feel like you are lost in a folder maze? This bundle fixes that. Editor Enhancers makes Unity feel like home, and it comes with 5 polished tools. Inside are 5 tools. vHierarchy 2 organizes scene rows and switches scenes with ease. vFolders 2 speeds up project browsing so you stop playing hide-and-seek with prefabs. That is the kind of order that calms your whole day. vInspector 2 cleans the Inspector UI. vTabs 2 adds tabs for folders, assets, and objects. vFavorites 2 pins what you use most. Every feature is optional and minimal, so the bundle adapts to how you work. 56 reviews, perfect 5 stars. That tells you this is not shelfware. Devs already say their editor finally feels organized. Even with a bundle this broad, consistency wins. It does not change runtime gameplay. This is editor comfort. But the saved minutes add up fast. Workaround? Use it to simplify everyday tasks and keep your runtime pipeline separate. For $47.50, that is under $10 per tool. 5 workflow upgrades with real polish. Hit the asset store link in the description and grab it today. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. When your character model looks more like plastic than skin, it kills the mood. PIDI skin and character shaders gives you that warm, believable surface without a giant renderer overhaul. The pack is built specifically for skin and character shading. Faces, hands, and bodies get softer color fall-off and better depth, so your hero finally looks like a person instead of a mannequin. That is the fastest visual win you can drop into a character scene. Setup is refreshingly direct. Assign the shader, tweak a few sliders, and keep your existing models. There is no big framework to learn, just a clean visual upgrade that works with your current art pipeline. Only 9 reviews so far, but everyone is a 5. Early buyers already have that finally look in their screenshots, and the polish is obvious. It is not a character creator, so you need your own rigs and textures. Workaround, pair it with the models you already have and let the shader do the heavy lifting. For $25, you skip hours of hand tweaking and get a polished start. That is a time-saved ROI you will feel today. Take a look on the asset store today. Sorting puzzles are simple to understand but painful to build from zero. This 3D cake match template hands you a playable foundation, so you skip the boring plumbing and start designing levels. It is a complete match sorting loop in 3D, with cakes and trays ready to go. You can run it, see how the flow works, then replace the visuals and level order with your own ideas. The core gameplay is already there, so no blank canvas panic. Because it is a template, your time goes into game feel and content, not wiring buttons and win conditions. That is pure weekend project fuel for anyone chasing the casual market. And since it is 3D, it stands out in a sea of flat matching games. The first 3 buyers all left 5 stars, which is a strong sign for a template this fresh on the store. That early trust matters. The theme is cake specific, so if you want fruit or toys, you will need to reskin the art. The mechanics underneath are solid, so it is a fair trade. For $30, a freelancer would charge 10 times that for one custom prototype. This is the cheaper, smarter start. Head over to the asset store page and snag it. Unity's old animation state machine gives me the transition hell shivers. Playable's animator replaces that with a decision table, so you finally control animations directly instead of wrestling arrows. You get direct, predictable playback logic without 1,000 connecting transitions. It still supports states, blend trees, layers, masks, and behaviors, but with a cleaner structure that is easier to debug. That is the kind of order you want in a big game. The Playable's decision maker is the standout. Instead of fighting transition settings, you define which animation should play and when, then let it run. It removes the guesswork and makes animation logic something you can read at a glance. It is brand new with one review so far, and that review is a full 5. Early access users are already calling it a workflow saver, which says a lot for such a specialized tool. Because it replaces the animator controller, there is a learning curve if you are used to the old system. Workaround: start with a simple character and port over your logic step by step. For $55.99, treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut today. This is the last animation setup headache you will pay for. Find it on the asset store today. Building an in-game shop or HUD with UGUI can feel like wrestling a spreadsheet. Relayer brings React, Vite, HTML, and CSS into Unity, so web devs feel at home immediately. It is a real React overlay pipeline. You write components in familiar web tech and connect them to Unity through a structured C# to JavaScript bridge. That means LiveOps panels, menus, and HUDs become far more flexible than anything you can build in a raw canvas. Setup is one scene and a clear initializer flow. There is even a showcase scene that runs from packaged files without Node.js, so you can test the whole idea before you touch the build pipeline. Porting web skills into Unity has never been smoother. No reviews yet because it just launched, but the included sample modes and UI kit give off an early hit vibe. The promise is huge for hybrid teams. It is a WebView-based overlay, so it is best for menus and HUDs, not for every gameplay widget. Workaround: keep your core combat UI in UGUI and use React for the dynamic LiveOps stuff. For $30, if one client game uses this for their LiveOps panels, you have paid it off 100 times over. That is the kind of business math you can say yes to. Check the asset store page and grab it. If you use Game Creator 2, you know pathing can eat your whole day. Marker Spline fixes that by letting you place control points and instantly generate smooth character paths. You get control points, even counts, fixed spacing, and snap to ground. That means truly useful path creation for NPCs, patrol routes, or cinematic movement without fiddling with curves by hand. Your characters can walk, pause, resume, or stop exactly where you want. The persistent saving is a hidden gem. Set up a path once, come back after a session change, and it is still there. For a tool this focused, that kind of reliability saves you from redoing work every time. It just landed with one review and no rating yet, but Game Creator 2 players will quickly see how much faster this makes their scene setup. Early feedback will be interesting. This one requires Game Creator 2, so if you're not using that framework, it will not work. Workaround: it is perfect if you already have Game Creator 2, so the choice is easy. For $7.50, that is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Your characters deserve a proper path today. Pick it up from the asset store now. Voxel games are deep rabbit holes. CubeMason hands you a working building, breaking, and crafting survival framework in a single prefab. Drop it in, and you have a game. Procedural terrain streams around the player, every block can be mined and placed, tools wear down, recipes turn loot into gear, and creatures come out after dark. The world saves itself in the background, so the game keeps running while you focus on fun. Every system is clean, commented C# with no DLLs. You can tune values directly in the inspector on one prefab, which means you can reshape the game without hunting through code. That is the kind of accessibility solo devs dream about. No reviews yet because it is fresh, but the feature list reads like a complete game kit, and the no DLL policy is a trust signal for many devs. The sample polish speaks for itself. Right now, it targets the built-in render pipeline, so URP or HDRP users will need to convert materials. Workaround: the included setup is straightforward, and one-time conversion is worth it for this much gameplay. For $24, that works out to a few cents per playable system. You are basically buying a full survival game skeleton at an absurd discount. Visit the asset store listing and see it in action. Underwater scenes have a secret problem. Fish that just float feel dead. This pack gives you 25 rigged low-poly fish, each with a built-in looping swim cycle. Drag them in and they are alive. Every fish has its own shape, color, and 2048 by 2048 albedo texture, with a consistent stylized look across the whole set. The rigged swim animation means you do not need to animate a single fin, and the FBX format works in any pipeline. These are optimized for mobile and WebGL, so you can spawn large schools without melting your frame rate. Pre-assigned materials make it a genuine drag and drop. No shader setup, no plugins, no fuss. Whether it is an aquarium, fishing sim, or ocean scene, they are ready to swim. Zero reviews because it just launched, but the uniform art style and clean FBX files are exactly what busy devs ask for in an asset pack. You can see the quality in the demo. The textures are albedo based, so there are no built-in normal or metallic maps. Workaround: use lighting and a cheap shader to make the colors pop, especially in stylized scenes. For $7.50, that is 30 cents per fish. One fish would cost you more in coffee. Dive over to the asset store page and grab the pack. Building a suburban street block by block is exhausting. This pack gives you a huge modular collection of interiors and exteriors, so you can place complete houses or assemble your own from pieces. You get modular rooms, furniture, walls, floors, roofs, windows, doors, fences, and decorations. You can snap together unique homes and arrange them into a neighborhood that actually feels lived in. And because the pieces share one art style, everything matches. It includes ready-made houses too, so you can populate a scene in minutes. The same kit covers both inside and outside, which keeps your visual design consistent from bedroom to backyard. Plus, the modular system means no two houses need to look alike. No reviews yet since it is brand new, but the sheer content volume and modular flexibility already look like a slam dunk for cozy game makers. This is a huge time saver. The large modular set can be a lot to organize, so your project may get cluttered. Workaround: use folders and prefab variants right from the start to keep the pieces manageable. For $30, you're getting a full house building library, and one client environment could pay it off 100 times over. Treat your next project today. Snag it on the asset store. Fantasy environments take forever if you build every rock and tree. Stylized Elven Valley hands you 200 assets, plus showcase levels, so you can create an Elven world without starting from scratch. You get high-quality meshes, material variations, LODs, and custom collisions for complex props. Texture sizes range from 512 up to 496, so you can balance visual fidelity and performance on different platforms. The average poly count goes up high, but the LODs keep everything reasonable in real time. The included example levels are a huge start. You can tear them apart, see how the artist assembled the valley, and reuse those layouts to build your own scenes faster. It is like having a masterclass environment included. Each area is made with unique concepts, so there is plenty to learn. No reviews yet because it just dropped, but the asset count and PBR materials already make it a serious contender for stylized worlds. The custom collisions and LODs show proper production care. Some meshes go up to 575,000 polygons, so this is not a pure mobile asset. Workaround: use the included LODs and culling to keep desktop and console performance smooth. For $12.50, that is about 6 cents per asset. You could spend hours crafting one valley and still not match this variety. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.